9 ideas to keep your kids busy at home. Kids. You love them, but they'll drive you crazy if you let them. It's not easy to deal with your children each and every day when you're used to them being at school for 40 hours each week, especially during the pandemic. Having them at home is a significant challenge, even during the holidays, if you're now working from home. You hate to see them sit in front of the TV all day long, but you hate to hear them whine about being bored even more. No one is completely happy about these situations, but as a parent, you have the responsibility to navigate this challenge with your children. Use these ideas to keep your kids busy at home while maintaining your sanity. Write. Most kids love to write stories, make lists, and record ideas. If your child is one of those that likes to write, then give them a writing task. Tell them to write a scary story about two friends lost in the woods. If your child is older, perhaps they would like to keep a journal. Or write a story together. Take turns writing a couple of sentences. The next person has to pick up where the last person left off. Art. Regardless of age, there are many people that like to draw, paint, sculpt, color, or cut and paste. Have an art hour each day. Watch a video on how to draw a face and practice together. The Craft a Scrapbook channel has many craft videos to choose from. Give your child some chalk and tell them to play in the driveway. Garden. Gardening can be a lot of fun. It's exciting to plant seeds and watch them grow. Flowers, vegetables, berries, and herbs are all options. Try planting some foods that your child loves to eat. Hike. Get out of the house and hike in the woods, or the mountains, or the seaside. Many parks have walking or hiking trails. It's great exercise and an easy way to change the scenery for an hour or two. Bake. Kids love to bake. Depending on their age, some children need more help than others. Bake a cake, make some cookies, or muffins. Allow your child to fix or help with dinner. Try some new recipes together. Remodel. Let your child remodel their room. It might be time for a new color or a new desk. Perhaps the artwork on the walls is getting a little old. A new lamp? Give your child some freedom to make their own choices. Watch old movies. Has your child ever seen Goonies, The Karate Kid, or the original Star Wars? Honey, I Shrunk the Kids? Relive some of your favorite childhood movies with your children. They might laugh at the special effects found in the movies from the 70s or 80s, but that's part of the fun. Talk about some of the differences between these old movies and the ones they normally see today. Old toys. Pogo stick, hula hoop, hopscotch, old board games. Or maybe pull out some of their old toys from the attic, basement, or garage. Build. Build a birdhouse, treehouse, doghouse, or a fort. Build something out of popsicle sticks. Construct a raised flower bed. Build some shelves. If you are at the end of your rope with your kids, you're not alone. It's not easy to keep your kids occupied in a healthy way. However, there are plenty of things your kids would enjoy doing that they've never ever considered. Put on your creative hat and give them a few things to do that will benefit them more than watching TV or playing video games. You'll all be glad that you did.